With a promise of delivering compact camping at its finest, you're bound to get the attention of a lot of people. Throw in off-road capabilities, extra durability, and strength, and you get this innovative caravan that seamlessly combines comfort with practicality, a compact towable that apparently performs miracles of space. This is the Badger Lite from Badger Caravans, a South African caravan specialist with some 30 years worth of experience in the field. They keep their catalog simple, because sometimes simple is best, only 3 models in there, and all 3 are variations on a single idea. When you aim for maximum compactness and maximum functionality, as well as the ability to get around the bush with ease, you really don't need more. So, Badger Caravans offers the Badger in 3 flavors, the Extreme we covered a while back, the X-Over, and the Lite, with that last one being the most stripped-down version of the general model. It's still self-sufficient on its own and very impressive because of it, with a fiberglass body that opens up like a blooming rose, to become a hybrid habitat for a pair of adventurers not looking to skimp on comfort. The Lite is 4.8 meters long and just 1.7 meters wide in road mode. It rides on a single-axle braked aluminum chassis for reduced weight, with 15-inch aluminum wheels and leaf spring suspension, and it's built out of fiberglass, chosen for its durability, low maintenance, and excellent handling under stress. The Lite is, well, light, or it wouldn't be called that. It tips the scales at just 650 kilograms empty, with a maximum permissible weight of 750 kilograms, so it remains towable on a standard driving license, without needing to upgrade. It is an entry-level camper designed for beginners, but its toughness and complete list of features make it an all-rounder. Despite its compact form factor in road mode, it's actually a cozy, complete habitat at camp because it opens up sideways to create more space inside. As you can see, the Lite opens up at camp to make room for the bedroom. Unlock the securing locks and use your body weight to open up the sidewall, dropping it down and leveling it with the integrated support legs, and you get yourself a roomy living space that comes standard with a queen bed but can be customized with a king. This space isn't just roomy but also surprisingly nice. The bed comes with a padded headboard with integrated reading lights, and there are 17 storage solutions lockers scattered inside and out, for maximum functionality. For a hybrid camper made to be taken off the beaten track, the Lite strives to be homelike. Thanks to the canvas upper part, the Lite offers full standing height inside. It comes with netted, zippered windows for a cross breeze, a natural light, and an opening tailgate that holds the kitchen setup. Also here is a large fridge with freezer on a sliding tray, which you push back into the camper to reveal the washing station. An outdoor shower is also found here. A 2-burner gas cooktop is available on the side, in a dedicated exterior compartment. A fold-down table on the inside of the main door does double duty as an outdoor table and, at night, with the door closed, a dedicated space for the porta-potty. Standard features include a Victron battery charger, an Enertech 105 amp-hour deep cycle battery, a Hanson dual gas electric 15-liter water heater, a 12-volt Trail King water pump, an INTA safety fire extinguisher, a 3 kg gas tank, and 110 liters of fresh water in a dedicated tank. The porta-potty isn't included in the standard package, while options include a solar array, an exterior shower tent, the awning, a vanity cupboard, a fold-out table for the interior, and the possibility to have the fridge on a lateral slide-out tray instead of at the back. Obviously, this upgrade means you get more space inside but are no longer able to have access to the fridge from the inside. The entire kitchen space can also be customized to the exact spec of the customer though, as always, this will entail an extra charge. But here's where the Badger also stands out. Starting MSRP for standard configuration is affordable, if unattainable for everyone else. The Badger Lite, for example, starts at around $22,000 US. As the saying goes though, lookin' never hurt nobody. Here's the Badger Lite in all its unfolding glory, going from compact to a full, self-sufficient habitat made for the roughest environments, while still very lightweight. A sort of light Swiss Army knife of off-road campers, if you will.